Hey there, freelancers and aspiring freelancers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and tips to help you thrive in the digital age. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: freelancing and how it can benefit you in 2023 and beyond. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive right in. Before we jump into the benefits, let's start with the basics. What is freelancing, you ask? Well, in simple terms, freelancing is a way of working independently, offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Rather than being tied down to a traditional 9-to-5 job. It's about being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing the projects you're passionate about. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits that freelancing holds in 2023. One of the greatest advantages of freelancing is the freedom and flexibility it offers. Imagine waking up and deciding when, where, and how you work. You have the power to create your own schedule, balance your personal and professional life, and travel while still earning a living. In 2023, with the rise of remote work and digital connectivity, this flexibility has never been more accessible. Freelancing opens up a world of endless opportunities. With advancements in technology, you can collaborate with clients and companies from around the globe, expanding your network and diversifying your portfolio. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or any other skilled professional, the demand for freelancers is on the rise in 2023. So, no matter your expertise, there's a niche waiting for you. Now, let's talk about financial growth. Freelancing allows you to break free from the limitations of a fixed salary. As a freelancer, your income potential is virtually unlimited. You have the power to negotiate your rates, take on multiple projects simultaneously, and increase your earnings based on your skills, experience, and client demand. With the right strategies, you can achieve financial stability and even build wealth in 2023. Freelancing isn't just about earning money, it's also an incredible opportunity for personal and professional growth. As a freelancer, you constantly face new challenges and work on diverse projects, which means you're constantly learning and expanding your skill set. In 2023, the abundance of online courses, resources, and communities make it easier than ever to upskill and stay ahead of the curve. In an ever-changing job market, freelancing offers a unique sense of job security and diversification. Instead of relying on a single employer, you can work with multiple clients simultaneously, reducing the risk of suddenly losing your income. This diversification helps you weather economic uncertainties and adapt to market demands. In 2023, where the gig economy continues to thrive, freelancers are becoming more indispensable than ever. As you can see, freelancing isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle that's gaining momentum in 2023. However, it's important to remember that freelancing also comes with its own set of challenges. It requires discipline, self-motivation, and strong business skills to succeed. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to our channel for more in-depth videos on how to navigate the freelancing world and build a thriving freelance career. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads. We're here to support you on your freelancing journey in 2023 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep freelancing like a boss.